Well, good morning, beautiful snow people. It is Thursday, the 22nd of February, 2024, and we are out at out in Bryce Canyon. We're about to head up in this machine to a navigational site to work on it, do some periodic maintenance. My buddy Jeremy is going to be driving the Snowcat today, and I am helping train him so that he can do such awesome things as well. And should be a good time, a little bit different for this channel, but I figure it has to do with snow, so should be good. All right, let's see how he gets down the trailer. There you go. Nice and easy. So yeah, you want to have the trailer tilt all the way before you get all froggy with it. Yeah. Look at that guy. Ooh, water. Here's where I try not to get run over. All right, buddy, so introducing the lovely and effervescent Jeremy. He just joined our team, came from the beautiful Northwest, and we'll get to know you a little bit more. He's going to be piloting today. I will be his lovely assistant, if you don't mind.
Yeah, let's do it.
Figure this is actually the funnest Snowcat trip we've got, so figure it'll be more entertaining for this guy. If I start to get scared, though, we'll swap it out.
A little hoot and holler today.
Yeah, but we should be good. He's a snowboarder. He knows what's up.
Something's wrong with me.
There you go. We all have a lot wrong with us. That's neither here nor there. So let's get rolling. So here's the beginning of our journey. There are Utah prairie dogs out here, in case you're wondering. There's not a whole lot of snow today, so we're able to just kind of follow the road a lot easier. Definitely more of a challenge when there is no road to follow, but then again, you're in a Snowcat, so who cares, right? Yeah. So, Jeremy, how often have you driven a Snowcat before?
This is twice.
So this is number two.
Number two.
All right. So this road can get a little sketchy, as you will see coming up. Should be fun.
You.
Fox tracks. It's for you, Hannah. Man, Fox just goes on and on. What I'm doing. Secretary stuff. So parts of this road are pretty sketchy. Right now this is pretty mellow. Last year this area was about 4 feet deep, 5 feet deep, and had a big trough in the middle. That was no fun, senor. No fun at all. Where's the road? So pretty. So sketchy. Oh, nice.
Got a couple whales in front of us.
Yeah. We did not tip over, it just seemed like it. I'm just clumsy, but you all know that. That's nothing new. Look how pretty this is. So nice. You're outlandish, sir. You need to slow your roll. This guy. This is fun. You having a good time?
Stoked.
Ah! Yeah, drifted. Woo! Hell yeah, Cletus. That's nice. That's real nice. pretty. All right, check it out, everybody. We had a little tiny slide right there. It got wind loaded, and then see that little crack, so to speak? It all slid. That's pretty cool. That's some solid driving there, pal. How'd it go? What'd you think?
I don't know what to say. Not very video friendly.
Man, a few words.
Delete that.
Thanks, pal. It's real helpful. Afraid new stickers are gonna have to wait till it's drier. That's crazy. But yeah, that's sheared off right there. That is just waiting to go. I think going on the back side of the building would be a bad idea right now, for all the obvious reasons. At least we have one Jeremy that works. Oh! Can't win them all.
Yeah.
That, sir, is an impressive icicle.
That is.
I'm intimidated. Little known fact, that's a black widow. That's a young one. They like to live here. I actually got bit by a black widow last year, not quite a year ago, in April. And that is a baby black widow. In case you're wondering what they look like. Black widow that got me was hanging out right up in here. So what he's doing here, he took readings. We talked about it. Took readings from the batteries over there. And now he is taking those from that machine called a cell quarter and putting it into what we call an ETPR, electronic, something with a T, something with a P, something with an R. Record is the last word. Electronic something, anyway, ETPR. That keeps track of everything so we can see trends and that sort of thing with our equipment. It's pretty exciting stuff, huh? Yes. Snowcat. Nice. All right, dude. So our work done here for today?
Done.
Heck yeah.
Ready for a weekend?
America.
Yes.
Yeah, not shabby, is it?
The camera's not going to do it justice.
Nope. Not at all. All right, man. Let's hop in this hoopty and get out of here. Not exactly sure how I'm going to make this video remotely interesting to watch. So hopefully you guys will enjoy it regardless. But I like it. This is what I do the other 4 days of the week that I'm not working at Bryan Head. Don't hit me, don't hit me, don't hit me. You can go. That'll work. Everybody, so this is what we care about here. These are the actual navigational aid that that building supports. Pretty cool. Pretty neat, huh? I like that part. So pretty. You're so pretty. Oh, look at this guy.
Sometimes.
All right, ladies, this is a
Make sure the lights are
single handsome man. It is so nice up here, dude. Goodness gracious. Don't hitchhike, kids. Just in case anybody's wondering, we don't normally drive that fast.
I do.
I don't normally drive that fast. But, yeah, anyhow, that was for your entertainment. It's pretty cool. That was fun.
Sick.
A lot of fun. So this is Jeremy's second time driving a snowcat, so we're trying to get him a little bit more practice here. This is probably arguably one of our more challenging ones. What a jerk. That looks horrifying. Thanks, pal. So cool. Yeah, when I was a little kid, if you would have told me that someday I'd be able to ski and drive giant Tonka trucks for a living, I'd have been pretty stoked. Oh, and fly helicopters and be a Marine and all the other things. Lived a pretty good life, my friends. Pretty good. Part of the roller coaster right before the drop. Don't be scared.
A little sketch.
You're a little sketch. Yeah. Yeah, we could actually come down right there and then take the cat back up.
Way up at least.
Wow. It's a bunch of little bristle cones.
Petrified.
If you're unaware, bristle cones can live to be over 1,000 years old. 2,000 years old. Some of them have been around since before Jesus was born. That's a long time ago. All right, everybody, that ends our snowcat adventure. Did you have so much fun?
A lot of fun.
Good. What did you learn today?
How to put in a radio and do other people's jobs. I'm just kidding.
Anyhow, Mr. Angsty over there. Yep. So that'll pretty much wrap this one up, my dear snow friends. We're gonna go ahead and load Mr. Cat here and head on back home to my beautiful bride. Look at this, ladies. Not only is he smart, former Air Force veteran, but he's also muscular and able to do a man's job.
My muscles are hibernating right now.
All right, now that we got the beautiful snowcat properly on its trailer, me and my pal Jeremy are gonna go ahead and head on home. If this is the sort of thing that you like and enjoy for some reason, please feel free to like the video and subscribe to the, wow, it's really a lot quieter. Subscribe to the channel, and yeah, leave any comments, questions, whatever. And we appreciate you guys and gals tuning in. Hope you have a wonderful day. We'll see you tomorrow up at Bryan Head. That looks horrifying. Thanks, pal.